Rosso. 4S2, Cadet Major Mila Hayag. 4S3, Cadet Major George Gorgonio II. 4S4, Cadet Major Cipriano Casturia III. Majorette Leader, Joan Macosa. BBC Leader, Isidro Alvarez. First Company Commander, Cadet Captain Mark Anthony Asoro. Company XO, Cadet First Lieutenant Joaquin Al Bartolome. First Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Christian Asoro. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Jeron Barosa. Second Company Commander, Cadet Captain Moises Canela. Company XO, Cadet First Lieutenant Janine Concheta. First Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Francis Concheta Arca. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant El Aguasilio. Schoolhead, Sylvia Bonilla. CAP Facilitator, Mr. Ramon Buela. Assistant Facilitator, Mr. John Rainier Enriano. BBC Trainer, Ms. Maria Marisa Masila. Major Trainer, Mr. Teddy Paswell and Ms. Lisa Vera. Battalion Staff, Category A1, Battalion Commander, Cadet Major Clarissa May Dulce. Battalion XO, Cadet Captain Shin Eligoyo. Battalion S1, Cadet Captain Rosalyn Alsola. Battalion S2, Cadet Captain Pinos San Diego. Battalion S3, Cadet Captain Melissa Ann Benitez. Company Commander, Cadet Captain Christian Capal. Company XO, Cadet First Lieutenant Noel Gaza. First Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Oliver Joseph Rumbo. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Marian Ebio. Ladies and gentlemen, Kipayo High School, San Antonio, Kipayo, Calabanga, Camarines Sur.
Pangatuang, yan po ang Kipayo High School CAT unit from Calabanga, Camarines Sur.
We would like to acknowledge the presence of the newly crowned Miss Bicolandia 2010, Miss Catherine Dominic Lagrimas of Iriga City.
Ang sunod na po ang entry number 8. Nagahalin sa San Rafael National High School CAT unit, San Rafael, Tigaon, Camarines Sur, headed by Golden Star, Lieutenant Colonel Tobias Jan Iban, Cadet Major Mercedes Mehar, S1, Cadet Major Tipuya Aguen Angelo,
Nice!